Usap-usapan ngayon ang pagbabalik ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo matapos itong matalo ng dalawang sunod-sunod. Una ay kay Rey Vargas
And the new WBC featherweight champion,
at pangalawa ay kay Brandon Figueroa.
the Heartbreaker, Brandon Figueroa.
Inaasahan ng karamihan na isang mas matinding Mark Magsayo ang makikita sa ibabaw ng lona, mas malakas at mas matibay. Naging matunog na ang kanyang makakalaban ay ang former interim super featherweight world champion na si Eduardo Ramirez, isang Meksikano na masasabing isang matibay na kalaban din sana ni Magsayo ngayong paparating na Disyembre 9. May record itong 28 wins with 3 losses. Pero di ito natuloy sa di malamang kadahilanan. Sa halip ay pinalit ang isang Meksikano din na si Isaac Avilar na may record na 17 wins, 6 losses, 10 dito via knockout. At ang 5 huling nakalaban nitong si Avilar ay isang beses lang siyang nanalo, 4 talo at 2 pa dito via knockout. Kaya naman masasabing kakatayin lang ni Mark Magsayo itong kalaban kung matuloy man ang kanilang bakbakan. Pero di din talaga magkumpiyansa at magkampante dahil may isang undefeated champion na tinalo nitong si Isaac Avilar. Ito ay ang African champion at knockout artist ng bansang Nambia na si Zakaria Lucas. Dagdag mo pa na maraming mga kilalang boksingero na din na sinagupa nitong si Avilar, gaya na lang nila former interim super featherweight champion Eduardo Ramirez, former WBA World Super Featherweight Champion Hector Luis Garcia at ang former 2 Division World Champion na si Stephen Fulton. At kung titignan mo sa mga larawan ay may pagkamaangas din itong si Avilar. Kaya naman dapat isang 100% paghahanda talaga ang gagawin ng ating kababayan para magiging mas impresibo ang pagbabalik ng ating pambato na si Mark Magsayo. Si Isaac Avilar na ang pangsyam na Meksikanong makakalaban ni Mark Magsayo, kaya sanay na ang ating pambato sa mga estilo ng mga Meksikano na talagang matitibay at ubusan ng lakas. December 9 ang posibleng pitsa ng pagbabalik ni Magnifico at gagawin ito sa bansang Amerika. May kasalukuyang record ang ating bida na 24 wins, 2 losses, 16 via knockout, habang 17 wins, 6 losses, 10 via knockout naman itong Meksikanong si Isaac Avilar. Ano ang masasabi mo sa laban na to mga pre? Magiging easy win kaya o magiging pagkain lang ni Mark Magsayo itong si Avilar? Or posibleng may upset win na mangyayari pabor sa kalabang Meksikano? Ating balikan ang pinakaunang Meksikano na nakalaban ni Magsayo. Nasing tangkad lang din ni Isaac Avilar at isa ding southpaw katulad kay Avilar at ubo din ng hambog ng Meksikano. Panoorin natin kung paano nilapa ni Magsayo ang Meksikanong si Rafael Reyes na nangyari dito sa Pinas taong 2015.
La mano, Reyes sa esquina, balik sa corner. Good luck.
Round number 1.
Magsayo, obviously the taller fighter, stalking Reyes.
Maganda mga jab ni Magsayo. Oh, good. Left to the body.
By Reyes, an overhand right. Magsayo, he wants to put on an impressive performance to win over a noted Mexican warrior in Reyes.
Magsayo, one of had over 200 fights as an amateur.
Good luck.
To si Magsayo.
Nice combination by Reyes.
Reyes almost.
Reyes jabbing. Oh, he got covered himself. Power punch, he likes to come forward. He leaves himself open. Oh, beautiful. He got into trouble with that overhand right.
Getting cocky itong si Reyes. Magsayo, very patient. Kick, clock. Reyes coming again. The speed and power of Magsayo.
Magnificent.
Sabi nga natin, pagkitis mo to, Magsayo ay hindi biro. Because he is really loaded.
Pero, Reyes coming to fight. Magsayo in a little bit of trouble.
Oh, mukhang naramdaman din ni Magsayo yung ano na yun.
Right
Slow
down.
down. Oh, another right hand by Reyes. Magsayo getting the pace, Ronnie.
Oh, he
Good
got
left
caught
hook.
with the...
Very competitive opening round. Tani Liston.
Tama.
Problem. At muli tayo nagpapasalamat sa Cebu Grand Hotel.
Oh, what a beautiful hotel. I love that place and the people there, so accommodating, so gracious.
Babalikan.
Okay.
Saya got off to a good start, but nasa tail end, tumatama si Rafael Reyes.
Reyes is catching him with that overhand right, buddy.
Bigyan napansin
And then a
natin.
left hook. Good body shot by Magsayo. Reyes comes back.
Up. Saya trying to pull off the jab.
Yun ang importante. Oh, he got him with a good right.
Good right hand.
Yes.
Good uppercut.
But they got their exchanging uppercuts.
Parehong malakas sa dalawang boksinero.
Body shots by Magsayo. A flurry of left hooks. And Reyes is smiling and comes back with the body shot of his own.
We have a very, very good fight, Ronnie. Reyes. Reyes wild with the left. Body shot.
Magsayo covering up.
Oh, left.
Left by Reyes. Now Reyes switched to the southpaw stance.
Oh, nagkiba siya ng distance.
Goes back to the orthodox stance. Then the men do, what the trainers do in the corner. What they tell their fighter, how they analyze the previous round. Hey, Reyes.
Malakas din yung mga birada ng Reyes. Ronnie. Good right hand by Reyes. Leaning Magsayo. Magsayo against him.
Roosevelt ended the round.
Magsayo in the black trunks.
Strong in Reyes.
William Redimas Reyes. Very close fight. Sayo appears to
We'll see later in the slow-mo.
And we have a rumble. Oh, the front. Reyes says, let's get it on. The crowd, hindi nila gusto yung mga antics ni Reyes. But we have a third round knockdown. Credited to Magsayo. Ginigit ni Reyes. It was a low blow. Sabi ni referee Abenzo, it's a go.
Ended the round.
Right hand.
Good right hand by Reyes. You know this guy's tough.
Oo. Buhay pa ito si Reyes. Ano bang karap? Kaya dito muna. Kay Magsayo, he comes in with a confidence. Oh. Magsayo meron ng knockdown. Medyo controversial nga lamang sapagkat ikinigit ni Reyes ang low blow. What action? Umuusok ang Lona. Good right hand. Good right hand by Reyes.
Magsayo caught going in. Now he's
Tinamaan na niya ng uppercut si Magsayo. Hindi pa niya nakapitalize because he complains too much. Body shots.
beautiful uppercut by Magsayo. But Reyes comes back to the left. Bro.
Dito sa the waterfront. So along the belt line
Yeah.
hindi siya talaga terribly low. So very sharp call from referee Elijah. Yun ang kitang-kita. Kitang-kitang low blow.
That's south of the border. That's
Oh.
Mexico.
Correct. At meron na nga tayong mandatory 5-minute rest pag ganun boxing. Yes, nasabi ni referee Elijah. Laban lang. Huwag na magreklamo. Masyadong cocky. Large shot mo. Tama ha? Alam sa suko, ang ganda ng palitan. Sulit ang aksyon. Sayang, pero pinalimulan ni Reyes. Reyes just casually walking away. Good luck by Reyes. Maganda din eh.
Oh, because he's hitting with some great shots.
Reyes is fighting. Torres, ang adulterated action. At inagugutayan sa bakbakang Magsayo at Reyes ng Mexico. SPF Featherweight Championship. Good left by the head. Watch your head.
saying, I can take your punches to the body. Big right hand, cracking right hand.
Tayo, in the black trunks.
Oh, Reyes comes back with the left and a right to the side of the head.
Buong loob dito si Reyes, ha?
Oh, nalalaman ito. Pakpakan talaga. Beautiful left by Reyes.
Ayan ba Reyes?
Magsayo got caught.
Magsaya backtracking.
Okay, round 5.
What action so far?
Medyo delikado ito. The corner needs some help, so he came in.
Medyo lumalaban si Reyes. In fact, I gave you previous round number 4, kay Rafael Reyes.
Good bucket punch. Si Baksayo, this is the first time he's really in a fight.
Oo. There is resiliency. Ang dami mga patama ni Magsayo. But he keeps fighting back, this Mexican.
Oh, good by Reyes again. Another hip punches in return. That's not a good uppercut, but that's a dangerous tactic.
Delikado. Binihanan si Magsayo.
You know, Baksayo should just don't worry about this guy. Just concentrate on what you want to do. Another beautiful swing.
Higo si Reyes. Reyes is hurt. What a shot by Magsayo.
What a beautiful combination by Magnifico.
What a fight. What a show of force mula kay Magnifico. What
Still undefeated, and now the IBF Youth Featherweight Champion from the Philippines, Mark Magnifico Magsayo!
Ako nga pala si Kenneth Dober, Philippine Youth Champion sa lumalaban sa Bantamweight Division. Shoutout nga pala sa channel ni Manoy 0.2. Like and share, subscribe.